Panay reklamo ng Pangulo tungkol sa 2025 budget. Kesyo, nagagalit siya. Kesyo, mangled beyond recognition. Kesyo, may binago siya pero pinirmahan pa din niya.
I had to read 4,057 pages of the General Appropriations Act for 2025. Because I reviewed it, analyzed it, and, yes, in parts, vetoed it. And so for those of you, and up to now, I cannot find those damned blank items. We'll keep looking, but I really am convinced that they simply do not exist because it is not allowed to exist. So for those of you who think the presidency is just handshakes, photo ops, I assure you that fine print is alive in my office as well.
6 months later.
Apparently, in the last administration, they removed that entirely.
Okay.
And I was shocked.
Yeah.
I was shocked because this is like standard procedure.
Yeah.
This is like,
Yeah.
you don't